easy, get ready with me. You see that right there? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're gonna fall. He feels so cute. Okay, so I thought I would show you guys my get ready with me. Just got out of the shower. I'm in Amy's room. Zion just likes to hang out in here and just like play and explore, so it's easy for me. Got my big mirror right here. Hello. And yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and then do my makeup. Alright, so I have my little setup here. I'm gonna do it using the One Step Revlon Volumizer. I love this thing. It is so awesome. One thing I will say is it does get really hot. So I like to make sure my hair is pretty much dry, like it's not soaking wet, let's just say that. And I have short hair, so it doesn't take long, but it does get hot, so I don't use it every day. I probably use it like once a week, if that. I wash my hair once a week. I use dry shampoo in between that, and sometimes I just let it air dry just to, you know, make sure that I don't have a bunch of heat in it. And then I spray this in it, but I first spray this in my hair. And this is the 10-in-1. Says 10-in-1 Perfector. All eyes on me, not your mother's. So it does kind of soften my hair as well. It does smell really good, I will say that. So I like to just get it all up in my hair. I'm just gonna let it sit actually, and I think I'm gonna do my makeup first so that my hair will dry a little bit more. It's a little wet. So I'm going to pin this back. Hello, Zion is right here. Say hi, Zion. Look up there. Say hi, Zion. I love you. Just gonna be hanging out playing. The makeup I'm gonna be using is Merit. I've been using them for a couple months now. It comes in this cute little baggie. They sent me this makeup, and then they also sent me a new box that I'm about to open now. So in their first shipment, they were sold out of the brush that they have, and I actually really like it so far, what I've seen online. So I really wanted it, and they reached out to do another video collaboration, so I was like, heck yes, I love your products. I would love to do another video for you guys. So that is what I'm doing today, and I'm going to show you, get this open, what they sent me. So, their boxes are so cute. Alright, here we go. We have, I got 2 products from them today. The, another complexion stick, and the, what's it called? The brush, it's called N1 blending brush. So I'm going to be using that today, which is a good timing because Avi took my blending brush that I had and put it all in blush. So now it's all pink. And I really wanted a new one. Look how beautiful this is. Like, their branding is perfect. I got another complexion stick. So when I got their products the first time, I went with the color, let's see, I got 2 colors last time. I got sand and khaki, and I've already used so much of it. Like, there's still a good amount left, but I've used a lot of it. So there's that. And then khaki was good for whenever it was summer. It's a little more tan, and I didn't use a lot of this one. And sometimes I'd blend both. Like, I would put some of the sand on and then put some of the khaki on and then blend it in. This time I got the color Bisque. That's how you say it. And this one looks super nice too. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of blending with the Bisque and maybe sand today, and use my blending brush. So first, before I do my makeup, I usually just put on this primer. It's the Pacifica Multi-Mineral BB Cream. I'm like almost out of this. This is my, I think, 3rd bottle of this. I've been using it for years and I really love it. So I just put a little bit on my fingers and I rub it in. And pretty sure this has a little bit of SPF, but I just like the way it feels on my skin. I feel like when I put it on, it keeps my makeup on as well. So just rub it in with my fingers, and it has like a light tint. So if I wasn't feeling makeup that day, I could literally just put this on and some mascara and maybe the eyebrow pomade and be good to go. But today's Avy's school Halloween party. I'm excited. I love Halloween so much, and she loves Halloween, so it makes me so excited for her. So her school is having a little party, and they have like a bouncy house, and everyone's wearing their costumes, and so I'm just like so excited. So like I said, I'm gonna do like a kind of mix. I think I'm gonna do sand and the Bisque. So I like to put the sand under my eyes because mom life and dark eyelashes, right? So I kind of just do that, put it around, and then I'm gonna use this Bisque. And I'm gonna also, oh yeah, that matches really good. And I'm kind of just putting it everywhere. Zion, what are you eating? Let me see. What are you eating? He found a sticker. I usually don't put any on my forehead. Yeah. So I think that's good. Don't I look gorgeous? Just kidding. Okay, and then I'm gonna use their brush. I'm excited to try this and see how it feels on my skin. Hi, bub. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's like really soft. I like it. I like how small it is. Okay, so I'm just blending this in. I did have a pimple right here, so kind of see that. I might go over with my finger to kind of cover that. Okay. This makeup is not full coverage, which I love about it. I'm not a very full coverage type of person. I really like that they it definitely color corrects, but it's not heavy. It doesn't feel like caked on. It feels very light and minimalist. So that is what I love about this brand, is that It's just like a perfect amount. I love it. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put on some mascara. So like I said, I used this primer first. This is not their primer. This is the Volumist, the L'Oreal Volumist primer. I've just had this, so I just use this. They don't have a primer. Otherwise, I'd use it. I really feel like I have to use a primer on my eyelashes, otherwise by the end of the day my mascara is all the bottom. So okay, and then I'm gonna use their pomade for my eyebrows. I really am like into the like messy kind of spiked eyebrow. I know not a lot of people like that, but I'm all about it, and I love that this pomade it makes it easy to do that. And if I get like a little piece, just smooth out. Sometimes I like to go in and give my eyebrows a little bit more definition with this angle brush. I have just like an e.l.f. palette. I literally just use it for the black and the brown. And I'll just go in and kind of define this right here a little bit. Very subtle. Yeah. I'll play some more. You wanted to play with my... Here, you can play with that. Here's where I usually do some blush. So I'm gonna use their, what is this? Beverly Hills. I'm gonna just dab it on the apples of my cheeks. And then I go in with this brush and blend it out. There we go. Okay. And then I take their highlighter and I just put it on all the places where I see like light hitting. There, there, there. And then again, I kind of blend it in with this brush. And this is just an e.l.f. brush. An Eco Tools brush I got from Target. You can also use your fingers. And then I also have this sometimes if I feel like I need to brush my eyebrows a little bit more. Sometimes I use that on my lips. I can use it on my eye. Oh wait, I didn't put the mascara on, y'all. I need to do that. And then mascara. Alright. Okay, so lately I have been working out, but it's like I haven't worked out this week because I started my period for the first time since having Zion, and I just couldn't. Yeah, maybe TMI, but I just couldn't. It was just a hard week, let's just say that. So I decided to take this week off from working out, but I'll just go back next week. We're going to Corpus this weekend, my hometown, to visit for Halloween. We do that every year, to visit like cousins and trick or treat my parents' neighborhood. So we're gonna do that this weekend, and I'm really excited about that because, like I said, I love Halloween. So we leave probably tomorrow morning. JC has work tonight, and then we'll leave in the morning. So here is my hair. I'm actually gonna spray. I just put it half up. I'm gonna spray this right here. So I might get scared, but you gonna be scared, bud? Don't be scared. And you'll hear how loud it is. It's kind of loud. When I usually do this, I'll just like pop earphones in. So we'll see how he does. He might get scared, but he's such a good boy. Good. You're good? He's just like, what is that? I want to time myself. It's 2:12. So let's see how long this takes. Nikole. Nikole. That's the first layer. I tried to get it like pretty voluminous. I just like scoop it in and high so that I have some volume with it. And that's dry. That took me 3 minutes. This top part. What's the matter, buddy? Are you scared? Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter? You're okay? You're okay? Oh, no, you can't have my kid. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Sweet boy. Hey, I'm gonna finish my hair, okay? Don't you play with the stuff. Alright, so that's so far. Now, let's do the top part. Which I think I'm gonna do. So I like to do this kind of in section. I have a lot of hair, y'all, like an insane amount. It's short, but it's thick. Super, super thick. So for this part, I do it like this. So I have this section in the back, and I'm just gonna blow dry it straight up. He just wants to know what I'm doing. He's like, Mom, what's going on? Okay, and now I have this section. Okay, now it's dry. It's 2:22. That took 10 minutes, and that's because I stopped a couple times. So it's like completely dry off. Like And look how much volume I have. Like if I wanted some more volume, I could easily just like spray it and tease it a little bit, but the only thing I don't like is because my hair is so short, this curl right here is just a little too much for me, you know, right here. So what I typically do is turn on my straightener and I just straighten that part right there, which takes 2 seconds, you know. Or I just leave it, and honestly, it's not bad. Just like a... And then, so what I do is I'll wear my hair like this for a day or two, and then when I get kind of bored with it straight and like this, I will wave it with my straightener. Like I'll put waves in it and make it a little more curly. Alright, y'all. Hair makeup is done. I am really loving this short hair. It is seriously so nice to have it done in 10 minutes. Like that is insane to me. From like shower to having it done. And it's just like super voluminous and fun. And like I said, I can curl it. I can pin it back. Sometimes I use this clip and I put it halfway up. Clip it, and that does not look good. It's too clean right now to look good, but you know what I mean. And I'm really liking it. So if you're on the fence about cutting your hair short, you should do it. Alright, so I literally just go in and straighten this part right here. Make it a little straighter. Maybe make these back parts straight. Honestly, they usually curl again, but it's like I said, I don't do this often. This is like once a week. Stay dirty for a while just to make sure it stays nice and healthy, and I'm not frying the ends by like straightening it and blow drying it all the time. Alright, there you go. See, it's straight and there's still some volume to it in this top piece. That's good too. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Get ready with me. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. I'm gonna leave my Merit link down below in case you're interested in any of these products. And oh, he's mad. He's mad. What, are you tired? What's the matter? He's ready for a nap. You ready for a nap? Yeah. Yeah. And I need to pump, so we're gonna do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheese! Oh, I see boy.
Take you there.